Oh, hey guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here, we're heading to Cagayan, Bukidnon for Tito Miko's birthday. Say hi. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, we are here. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Ano pa nga dito? The Grove. Here. Oh, you gotta love the views. Hi, Ma.
Hi.
Home vlog. So, here's the tree. Ito, malapit. Ilan ko natulog. Hey guys. Sorry. I got carried away. Oh, you gotta love the view. Again.
I got this toy. Only this.
Say hi guys.
Mommy, I got
Say
this
hi.
toy.
Say hi to the video.
Where did you get it?
I think it's
From your pocket?
yeah. Brother,
Oh. Hey guys. Sarap pa. Yan, beef rendang. Tapa. Beef rendang. Ano tawag sa pangalan din? We're at Sesam's Halal and Butter Station.
Some guys.
See. Huh? Where? Where are we?
Sam's.
Sam's.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Over here and buy.
Oh!
And buy
We got some ice
and
cream.
Mama buy my
Dumi ba kita?
strawberry ice cream over
Wow.
there, okay?
Okay. Shoot tayo ganyan, no? Look. Pia, put yours.
Wow, picture daw
Your
na.
ice cream. Look on nilupan.
1, 2, 3.
I got Marlo ice cream. Marlo Arizala ice cream.
Kaya nilulot ba eh?
What the nested? Oh, ice cream. Be careful.
Ditch.
Wag.
Ditch.
Oh.
Ano matabang ako Facebook? Una ka ang marketplace doon. Bye-bye. Yeah. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Where are we?
Buy me a chocolate.
Ano daw?
Liyaw.
Oh, we're here in Meow. We're going to buy chocolate syrup.
Huh?
Okay.
Bili ko chocolates. Biscuit.
Hey guys. We're in SM downtown premiere.
Hi.
Okay, bye-bye. We're here. We're looking for Hot Wheels. Hey guys, I beer holder eh. Ako sila sa armo ko na nasa archery gara. Mas kami dito. Bongs. Bowling alley. Hey guys. Ako sa basketball. Hindi na ako tanan dara ba? No. Masan here.
For cousin Lola. And he goes.
Bye guys. Ow. B. Enjoy ko kayo yung goal ko naman. Yun ba? Yung goal ko naman. Hey, we got Burger King.
Dili na yung makadulot na. Pareho man ta.
La, grabe bye.
Sorry.
Bye-bye. Thanks to the Mix UB.
Can I drink?
Sa akin.
Hello guys. Kailang ako pa. Ang post na. Hello guys, we're here going to Bukidnon, Espia, and then playing some pool. Wow, nice. Oh, nice ito.
No, wait, look at the mountain.
Pero ano Trabi?
Yeah.
It's so very nice.
Pero video. Para makita na ko niya. I-video din ko.
You like Cuyanado?
Olivia. Ako likod rin.
It's the forest. I'm thinking
Wow.
the
Hey guys. We're here in Bukidnon at Dream Residence. So this is where we are gonna be staying for the night. I just had my very good sleep. Sorry, ako mo pagkakamanga na ay.
my phone.
Just woke up.
Eh, binhod.
Binod akong tiil. Higdaan ko sa duha.
Here at Camille.
Okay, bye guys. We're gonna remove our things from the car. Anong bro? Pagi? Hey guys, oh, nag-upo over there, Dream Residence. Kirabon. Tara? Atong biya, atong mga gamit. Taon-taon mo, tara to. Hey guys, here's our room for the night. B, na-video ko, B.
Can I put only Mama, can I put only my
Here's our room.
over there, Mama?
Got two beds.
So she can
Yeah.
yeah.
Here's the bathroom. Very nice, very clean. Got trash can over there. Sink. And then very nice. And then the shower over here. Shower doesn't have a curtain. Water pressure check. Very nice. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm like, oh. Okay. I did not think that through. Bye guys. It's very nice. Again, check. Got some drawers. Got some.
Okay, guys, so this is our bedroom.
Oh, I thought you wanted to sleep in the car.
Okay, bye. I thought you want to sleep in the car.
What, Mama?
I thought you want to sleep in the car. Mama said.
No. Where's our door, guys? Help me, guys! Can you help me find our door?
Stop. We're not going back. We're going to the pool.
The pool?
Uy. Hey
Uy.
Guys, oh.
Basa?
Like?
Tarong dira, Bi.
Stop with it.
Ay, nako.
Kira, dalang ka muna.
Her cloudies.
Hey guys, ay. Ito. Hey guys.
Hi guys,
Feel-
today we are here today. And we are
We're here in the swimming pool.
Hello? Hello guys. I look like
It's very
a banana.
nice. It's time o'clock. It's 9.
I look
Time
like
o'clock.
a banana, guys.
It's 9 o'clock and oh, he looks like a banana. She looks like a banana. It's 9 o'clock. We're just enjoying our time here in the pool. Long ass pool. You can even swim to the very end without losing your breath.
With your panties off.
Nakamot na.
Ha?
Kamot.
Ikaw what?
Ito yung kamot sa camera.
Today guys,
Hey guys, we're here. We're done. Pia. We're done for tonight. It was 9:30. I think it's 9:30 na. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.